Hey guys, welcome back to the Bayside Reviews channel, and today we're going to talk about starting issues with the truck with your Ford Explorer that are related to possible dead battery. So I had a weird thing where my remote's been fine. I've not gotten any kind of alerts that said that the battery was running low or anything like that in the remote. And then randomly yesterday I got in the truck, it started, I drove off and I got some weird message on the screen I could not duplicate, but it says something to the effect like need to restart with the key or something like that. And so I stopped at another place. I came back out and it wouldn't start at all, and it flashed up that. So I'm going to show you how to handle that and how to change the battery. And yeah, we're going to cover that. So let's go. Okay, so in the front, you see that little slot right there? You're going to stick your key in that slot, and then your truck will start up right away. It will start with no problem whatsoever, right? Even if the battery is completely dead. But we're not going to do that. So let's talk about how to change the battery. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is pick up a 2450 button battery, lithium ion. I found that Amazon had these the cheapest. It was, I think, $6 or $7 for two. And places like Lowe's had one battery for $8. So who has time for that shit? So let's go over how to do it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the key out and then use the key in. And you're basically just going to pry along this larger ridge right here just to pop the lock, the back of the cover. And then you're just going to pull that cover off. Right? Sometimes it might help to slide that same key within the cover. And just twist it, and once you do that, your battery is right here. So we're just gonna get that out of there. All right, I didn't have a screwdriver, but I got like a little toothpicky thing. I tested it already. So I'm just gonna stick it in this opening and it pops right out. So we're gonna get our new one open. Let me pause. Okay, I had to slice this open. So we're gonna basically just pop this battery out of here. We're gonna put it face down again, the same way it was. In. Cover, clicks right back on, and that is it. So I should have no more issues for the foreseeable future. This should work for the 2018 and 2019s. I think that the battery for the earlier models may be a little bit different because the remote is definitely different. So we'll say this is for 2018, 2019. So all right guys, well that's the process. So hopefully you found that helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe for more content like this, and I will catch you on the next one.